Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will see keyboard shortcuts to shut down Windows laptop or PC. So, let's dive right in. First, go to your desktop. Once you're there, press Alt plus F4. A shutdown window will pop up. Make sure Shutdown is selected in the drop-down menu, then press Enter. Your computer will turn off safely. Next, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time. This opens a system screen with several options. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the power icon. Select it, then choose Shut Down. Your PC will power off right away. Finally, press the Windows key plus X to open the Quick Access menu. From here, press U, then press U again. This will shut down your computer instantly. And that's it. 3 easy ways to shut down your Windows computer using just your keyboard. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.